Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the file with Vim file name and immediately press Escape to guarantee normal mode. Once in normal, use HJKL for left, down, up, right. Make sure to prefix motions with digits, for example 5J to move 5 lines. You also use word motions, W to next word, B back, E to end. These first steps put you in control of cursor flow, so subsequent edits and commands apply exactly where you intend. Once you can move, combine operators with motions. D plus W deletes a word, C $ changes to end of line, yip yanks a paragraph. You should use text objects for precision, ew or ah for inner or around a word, I or a for parentheses or braces, making complex selections predictable. Make frequent use of. To repeat the last edit and slash or, to find text, then N and N traverse results. These techniques speed up multi-step edits without leaving normal mode. To finish, write changes with W and exit with Q combine as WQ to save and quit or K to quit all. Use U to undo and Control R to redo. If you need to replay actions record with Q and a register, then edit to run the macro. If something goes wrong, make sure you press Escape to return to normal, then use Q to abandon or E to revert the file. This single troubleshooting step resolves most stuck states quickly so you can continue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.